देवी सज्जनों नमस्कार। आज हम आपको बड़े दुख के साथ एक खुशखबरी सुनाना चाहते हैं। बाबू भैया जो पिछले कुछ महीने से लॉकडाउन में इंडिया में अटक गए थे, आज वापस दुबई जा रहे हैं। बाबू भैया पूरा जर्नी आपके साथ ब्लॉग में शेयर करेंगे।
So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Right now we're on our way to the airport to go to Sharjah, and then from there we'll go to Dubai because we got the flight for Sharjah. And so it's a Vande Bharat mission flight or whatever. Yeah, it's a repatriation flight, so that's what they call it. And yeah, we'll see you at the airport. Alright, we're entering the airport now. Yeah, so it's like pretty empty today. Nobody's as such there. Oh no, there are so many people. So many. Look at that. Social distancing. Social distancing in India. Look at that. Amazing. यही हो रहा है भारत का. देखो. ऐसी एयरपोर्ट है. Dubai, yeah, come. So we've reached the airport. Now we'll just take our bags from the car and we'll go to the gate. So right now we're going towards the gate and we just said bye. There they are. So if you ever come to Dubai, or sorry, what am I saying? So if you ever come to Mumbai airport during this time, this is how it's going to be. It's all going to be packed. There are markers like this. There are these markers, but then as you can see, barely anyone following them. Although we are going to maintain a 2 feet distance. हमने तो बहुत बेवकूफ़ी कर दी. हम लोग आए गेट नंबर 3 पे. अब हम लोग को भागना पड़ेगा. वो स्पाइस जेट का था. हम लोग को जाना है एयर इंडिया पे. So ladies and gentlemen, this was a blunder. So we had been dropped off at gate 4. It said that it was the Air India gate. But the actual thing was, we came to know that it was SpiceJet, and it was written that it was Air India. But now they told us to go to gate number 7, which is all the way at the end of the airport. And then over there was this long queue, huge queue, for which we had to wait. We had to request because our flight is like right now. And then there were like these forms which we didn't know about, like, and they didn't even give us all the forms. So when we came inside the airport, there was a lot of miscommunication. I cannot explain it to you because like they didn't give us all the forms, like all the complete forms. So now we're just checking in. So we're done with the check-in. It took around like 15 minutes. So there are like a lot of documents, and they have to go through all of them, like each and every one of them. Now we're going towards the security check-in, immigration. So we hope that there won't be any line. Yo, what? There's like nobody here. Like, it's all empty. What? Look at this. In the immigration, nobody. In the security check also, there was no one. Nobody. Like, it's all empty. And there aren't even those like line thingies, like, you know, those lines that used to be here. So we're done with immigration, and now we're going towards the gate. And the duty free. Look at this. It's all empty. And look at this dead man also they made. Cool dude. Look at this. It's all like, it's extremely empty. There's nothing there, nothing here. It's all dark. Everything is closed. They're barely selling anything. Everything they put plastic on. So yeah, it's pretty bad state. Okay, so main story time. Okay, so we came in January. So I have this surgery. We came for a surgery for my leg. So basically, when I was like born, yeah, there was this club foot problem I had, and and so yeah, we needed surgery for that. And then in January, okay, in January I had a big surgery, and then when we went back to Dubai in Feb, and then over there we were like for there for like 1 month, and then we came here in March thinking we'll come for 2 days, but then Corona existed, and so we got stuck here for like the past 4 months, which was pretty good. Not gonna lie, but it was pretty good. But kind of, we still gotta go home. So now we're on our way. Forgot to mention that, like, look at this place. Like, for every person, they've maintained like social distancing as if anyone's even gonna do this. But I think it's like a good initiative. And yeah, so everything is like this only. And it's pretty empty. It's pretty empty. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, for the people sitting in the middle seat, they've given us some PPE suits only for the people sitting in the middle seats. Right now, we've been allotted our seats, and we're inside the flight, inside the plane, and we've been giving these forms. And this face shield, PPE suit, boxes, snack boxes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So the captain has just made an announcement that there will be minimum service and minimum like the air hostesses and the hosts won't be allowed to serve you as much. Can't even see, dude. It's really hot, and like we have to stand outside now because there's this huge line for the immigration. I don't know what's there. It's our first time at Sharjah Airport, so it's like really hot. Even the bus was not very cold, but we can't complain about it. So. Okay, so we're done with the COVID test and all. They were having the COVID test there, and it was like really good. Like it's way better than India, and so yeah, it didn't even hurt that much. And then like for the COVID test, not generally they put the stick in your nose, and they go very deep inside. But over here it was like it didn't hurt, and people were also pretty nice. Everything's like open here. Uh, People are walking in a line. Find that a bit weird, but everything's open. Like all the cafes, all the vending machines, everything is like full force working. It's kind of weird after seeing all this after so much time. Everything is like really systematic here. They like they're like really strict about having all this social distancing. Like if you see, they made all these markers and everyone's actually following them. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop recording here. That was like really fast, dude. What? They finished it like in 2 seconds, and apparently, if you're facing at the camera, it's like retina scan and all. So they have all of that stuff, all that technology. Okay, so we're going to get our baggage. We have 2 bags, and we finished everything. Yeah, everyone's just looking at me like, what is this guy doing? I'm pretty sure everyone knows what we're doing, but it's kind of weird doing this first time. But yeah, so we have like 2 main goals today is to get our bags and find my dad. We'll be meeting him after like 4 months. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's gonna cry, but who cares? Yeah. Oh, all of the bags have already come. Oh, okay. Look at this. Look at this shit. You're already here, bro. What? Freaking fast. Freaking fast and furious. Holy shit. Oh, I got it. Okay, so wait. All the bags are already here. I already see my bag. I see one bag. My mom's getting the other bag. Oh, she's fine. Okay. Okay, and the big one is also there. I found him. Oh, another video.
vlog बना रहे हैं
Another video. Say hi to the vlog. Okay, so we've reached, and it's like boiling hot here. I don't even know what to say.
ये फालतू
I don't know. I'm just gonna keep the phone now because I'm vlogging on a phone, by the way. It's pretty weird. It's like really hot. Okay, bye. Okay, so we're in the car, and let me introduce you to my family, my fam. Okay, so here we have my sister. Okay, her name is Vibhuti Mathur. Vibhuti, also known as Vibhuti, and my dad is currently driving the car. Vikram Mathur. Yeah. So. Okay, so we've had some good quality family time, and now we're about to get some ice cream cones from McDonald's, and then we'll go home. We'll take a bath, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog. So thank you for tuning in, and bye bye.